Hello everyone, welcome to my first voiceover video on this channel. I'm not a professional YouTuber, so please go easy on my mistakes and give me any suggestions or advice really in the comment section. Now let's start today's topic. Should I say battle? Today, I did some moderate complicated tasks with these three latest trending and most powerful AI on our hands. Here we got baseline ChatGPT 3.5. Next, we got the Microsoft version Bing AI, which is being called Copilot right now, and moreover, it's using ChatGPT 4, which is the latest version of ChatGPT from OpenAI. Then comes Bard from Google, and it's using the cutting-edge AI model named Gemini Pro. Now, I have noticed that almost all of these three AI works better if you build up a conversation, and that's what I did. Can you recognize number patterns? Yes, I can recognize and analyze number patterns. If you have a specific number pattern or sequence in mind, feel free to provide it, and I will do my best to help you understand or continue the pattern. Well, that's reassuring. Then I can type. I'm going to introduce you to some teams: Team X, Team Y, Team Z, and Team O. You can use any example if you want to, but I used the football match scenario here. Not for gambling though, it's bad. Just kidding. Do gambling with your own responsibility. Okay, here you can see the AI replied with blah blah blah. You can read it later. Then the main part. I use the prompt like this, with symbols and parts, so that's easier for these AI models to read them. Suppose there will be two matches, and I want this AI to find a pattern from all teams that scores individually with each one of them, which is 4. So I wrote the prompt like this: Team X versus Team Z equals to Team X scores 0 and Team Z scores 2, so Team Z wins. I did this 4 times, vice versa with every team that has played against them before. Then we can see that ChatGPT 3.5 led the answer like this. It analyzed 4 outcomes that are provided in a more appropriate manner with numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, and then considered the main events with the pattern it picked up. It decided to put it like this. Considering these patterns, you might expect Team Z to have advantage in the upcoming match against Team O. However, predicting the outcomes of Team X versus Team Y is less straightforward, as both teams had a draw in their previous matches. Okay? But I need the Team X versus Team Y outcome. So I asked it to still guesstimate the outcome, and it gives me the same BS and also tells me that it might be a draw. I don't know, it can be confusing or might be the right thing to do. So it was time to move to the next AI, the Copilot or the Bing AI, or the Bing AI with GPT-4. Damn, Microsoft has ADHD, I think. Here you can see Bing is your AI-powered co-pilot for the app. It is hella confusing, but it does the job, I can tell you. Now, I gave the same input, I got some manually answers, then I moved to the point, and it gave me a very interesting answer. You can see that Copilot gave me 2 straightforward answers. Team X versus Team Y. Team Y has a higher score, a better goal difference, and a lower goal concession than Team X. Therefore, I predict that Team Y will win this match. Next, Team Z versus Team O. Team Z has a higher score, a better goal difference, and a lower goal concession than Team O. Therefore, I predict that Team Z will win this match. And that's why I gave a thank you. But it took a bit of time to generate the answers. Let me show you. Even if you text a normal and a small prompt, it will take more time than ChatGPT 3.5 and Bard, I think. No, that's all for now. See? Here we go. Okay, now move to the 3.5 version and do the same. Though the Copilot has generated prompts ready for the conversation, I think that's where the point goes evenly. And thank you. Damn, that was fast. Okay, enough of all that. Let's move to Google's Bard. Now, this is a whole another story. Let me zoom out a bit. Like usual, I tried to build up the conversation, but Bard just went off like a nut and gave me answers with even pictures and about all kinds of patterns, Fibonacci, golden ratio, pi, geometric, with their definition and even history. Come on. Then I was like, nah, I'm not enough smart to read all that, mate. Let's move to the main part. Actually, I'm a bit smart. I have read Dan Brown. It was a bad joke. Now, all these build-ups and the main task. Okay. Here we can see a table which is probably made with Google Sheets, which is a standalone service for table and spreadsheet creating, editing, and managing. It's really nice to see Google implementing their services in other products too. I mean, it holds consistency and efficiency of each product. But the interesting part is the results I got. Bard says Team X will win, but the Copilot says Team Y will win. Okay? That might be an understanding issue with each AI, but I'm not sure because I'm too lazy. I will leave the answer to you guys. Feel free to fight or discuss about it in the comments. Now, the result for Team Z versus O remains the same among all three AIs. And Bard also gave us a code, a Python code, that will be helpful somewhere in some work, I guess. If you want to know who really won the real life scenario, here we go. Team X and Team O own. I know it sucks, though let me know which your favorite AI is to use for daily convenience. So, everyone, hope you guys didn't get bored, and this was it. A good little experiment among the most powerful, latest, and most capable AI of this year, which is 2023. OpenAI just launched ChatGPT 4 Turbo, which means it will be integrated with Microsoft's Copilot this month or very soon. On the other hand, also Google announced their most powerful and ground-shaking model, which is called Gemini Ultra model, that will be integrated as the core AI model of Bard soon this year in 2024. It's crazy how fast these AI models are developing and seeing what they're capable of. Really excited for those new models. Also, comment that below if you want to see the same test with those new models too. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you hated it, then tap the dislike button. That's all for today. It's Mr. Vibe here. Thank you and Happy New Year to you all.